Okay, we are here at the closing Macy's.
We made it to Wanamaker's.
Yes. Center City, Philadelphia. You probably already knew that.
The vaulted ceilings and stuff just kind of remind me of Brooklyn, but in a completely different way. Interesting shape.
Yep.
Well, guess we're going to 3.
Oh, no kidding.
Just move.
Center opening 2-speed in here.
Yep.
Ooh. You could tell she wants to go faster. You could tell she wants to go.
Oh, yeah. I know who made these originally.
I don't think anybody does.
Dr.
Unless
One.
you were here in when this was Wanamaker's.
Or do I know who modded these? I try to at
It's
least.
giving Mainco with the help is on the way light.
Yeah. Send it up and try to get at least one more car.
Oh, you want to switch?
Yeah.
Okay. You know, in a bank like this, they might be different.
People tell me they want to see more than one car.
You can go that way. Oh, at this rate, this one might be coming back. Oh, no, we didn't. We got a different one. Okay, we got the middle one. Shaped the same way.
Yep. Just
So
send it.
now you got a fan. This is what you get for wanting another car.
All right.
Why do I want to say Westinghouse?
That wouldn't surprise me.
I want to say something. Oh, I thought there would be extra floors in there. Lord and Taylor floor.
Yep.
The door frame isn't as wide on this one as it was on the one we were just on.
Yeah. Quick view.
Obviously not the original interior by far. These are
No.
probably manually operated. Want to end it on 3?
Yeah, we can end it on 3. Assuming nobody's here.
Yeah.
Nope.